Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing another awesome Cobra kit car. So I've known this car for about 10 years, it seems now. It's local to us at all of the local Cobra functions, and it is time for a new home. So we'll spend a little bit of time today getting to know and understand this car, exactly what she has to offer. And you can probably already tell it's not your average Cobra. So this is a Hunter kit car out of Florida. The guy is still in business. And there are quite a few features that make this car unique, as all of the Cobras are just a little bit different. You can tell the paint and body is just absolutely exceptional, especially when you're dealing with black paint. These stripes buried under the clear with the red and blue pinstripes on the edges. See a transponder there, halo headlights, but more importantly under the hood, it's an all aluminum 4.6. Backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. See a cooling fan there. This car has been tuned. It's producing 350 horsepower at the rear wheel. We'll fire up here in just a moment. So that's out of a Lincoln. It's a Cobra motor, basically a 32 valve overhead cam engine, chrome side pipes, single roll bar. Got Toyo sticky tires on the back, same thing on the front. So automatic transmission at the Cobra steering wheel. The odometer showing 9,000 miles on the build. Everything functions as it should. You have Bluetooth stereo. And how about this right here? Heated seats. Also you have disc brakes in the rear. This has a Corvette independent rear suspension. Coilovers, all 4 wheels. A little mark in the paint right here. That's the only spot on the whole car. On the trunk, duster, fuse panel, battery cutoff. Pop open gas lid. And again, you can tell this paint is just gorgeous. 5 lug axles, front and rear. Also, these chassis, square tubing, and it's unique. I'm 6'4", and this car is comfortable to me. The seats actually sit between the frame rails, not on top of. And you see this custom tunnel here as well. Nicely finished door panels with door pulls. Howard brand style wheels. One little spot here on the chin, which we see that quite often. Most people wouldn't even notice it. But again, the idea of this is for full transparency. You also have the racing mirrors, both sides. If I forget, this fuel gauge operates backwards, so full is empty and empty is full. Built for reliability and performance. 6'4". This is my eyesight level here. Driving car. You know, we've had all kinds of super performance backdraft, factory 5. I'd probably put this at a factory 5 Mark 3 or better, maybe Mark 4. As far as quality, it's got features that I really like, especially the suspension. This car was meant to be driven, and it has been, and the performance is amazing. Here goes to the gears one more time. There you have it. AutoWorld of Conway. Cobra kit car. This one titled as a 95. Always try to mention that. AutoWorld of Conway. Good cars for good people.